Let's start with the very first module, and that is class. Yes, this is the form through which you can easily add the class, like writing the class name, MBA, new class inserted successfully, message will display on the screen, and you can see a new class has been added. And if you want to modify the information regarding this class, you can do this through this form. And if you want to delete this class, you can do through change status module. And let's move to the next module, class semesters. Yes, this is the form through which you can easily add the semesters in a particular class, like first selecting the class name and then writing the semester name. And if you want to modify the semester wise information, you can do this through this form. Let's move to the third module, semester subjects. Yes, this is the form through which you can add the subject semester wise, like first selecting the class name, then semester name, and then writing the subject name. So this is the form through which you can easily add the subject in a semester, in a particular semester, or in a particular class. Let's move to the next module, subject chapter details. Yes, this is the form through which you can easily add the chapter details of a particular subject, semester wisely or class wise. Let's move to the next module, and that is chapter content details. Yes, this is the form through which you can add the content details chapter wise, like first selecting the class name, then semester name, then subject name, and after that select the chapter name and simply writing the content name, short name, and content type like applet, presentation, video, whatever it is. And after filling this form, simply after filling this form, you have to click the save button, and you can see that you can easily add the content details chapter wise through this form. And if you want to add the information, you can also do that by selecting this modify form. So this is the form through which you can modify the details of content chapter wise. Let's move to the next module, user. Yes, this is the module user, and the first one is add, the second is modify, and the third one is delete. Yes, after clicking the add button, you can add the users who can access this software, like student, teachers, lecturer, principal, HOD, whatever. And let's move to the very last module, and that is view. Yes, BTech is the class name, MTech is a class name, MBA is a class name. MTech. In a class BTech, there is a semester like name semester, and a semester there is a subject name like physics, and in a physics subject there is a unit 1, and the chapter is like chapter 1, chapter 2, content 3, HH, content 4. So this is the software of college management system through which we can easily maintain the databases, or easily maintain the day-to-day business of the college or university. As you can see, this is very user friendly, and multi-user, it's like multi-user can simultaneously access this software without any interruption. It is very powerful and easy to use, and yes, this is also reduce the paperwork. So thank you.